What if you fall?
3, 4, 5, 6. Don't quit! Come on, you got it!
This story follows Beau, a bird who grew from a simple presence into a true companion over time. He liked to say that Beau, this bright little cockatoo with the soft white feathers and the curious eyes, didn't just come into his life. Beau stepped into his heart, and somehow, without either of them noticing at first, the bird became a true companion who changed his world in ways he never expected.
How big are you?
Say Happy Father's Day!
About a year earlier, he had started skateboarding around the neighborhood. Nothing fancy, just slow, easy rides to clear his mind. And from the very beginning, Beau was with him. Perched on his shoulder, calm, patient, almost as if he had done it his whole life.
Here he is! Got my mail! Thank you, Beau!
At first, he held Beau close, not sure how the bird would react to the rolling movement or the wind brushing through his feathers, but Beau didn't panic. He didn't flap. He simply looked at him with those bright eyes and gave a little shake of his head, almost like he was saying, "It's okay, I trust you."
There, Brian. Ooh. Yeah. Where are we going? Hi.
Beau had strong wings and a natural instinct to fly. That part of him was powerful. But even so, he never seemed interested in flying away. What mattered most was staying near, being part of whatever his human was doing. And little by little, that trust became something deeper. As time went on, Beau sat not only on his shoulder, but sometimes on his arm while he rode. Then, one morning, something beautiful happened.
Bad guys! Get the bad guys!
Beau opened his wings, lifted into the air, and circled above him, not escaping, not running, just enjoying the open sky, savoring every second. And every single time, Beau came right back. That simple act felt like a silent promise, and the joy of it was so strong that it nearly brought him to tears.
Buzz!
He remembered dreaming of having a bird when he was a child. Years later, he finally decided to look for one. He found an online post about a cockatoo who had been adopted from a shelter and now needed a real home.
Yes, you are.
When they met, something clicked instantly. Beau chose him, and he chose Beau. It was that simple. The drive home took 3 hours, and Beau spent the entire ride resting quietly on his shoulder, leaning close, as if he already knew he had found safety. From that day forward, they were inseparable. Wherever he went, Beau went too. When he left the room, Beau called out, and when he came back, Beau settled down, calm again, like everything in the world was right. Some friends wondered how a person could become so attached to a bird, but those who had never known a true bond with an animal often had trouble understanding. To him, Beau wasn't a pet. Beau was part of his life, a piece of his heart. If anything, he felt like he belonged to Beau, not the other way around.
Is it you? Hello. Is it you? Say hi.
Beau loved traveling. He enjoyed car rides, like a child discovering the world for the first time. He loved shopping malls and big hardware stores. He would wander around the car, then hop onto the front seat like a little captain steering his ship. He watched everything with wonder, taking in every color, every sound, every new experience.
Got some friends coming over to say hi. Say hi.
Hello! You're gone!
Beau turned 19 this year. Knowing that cockatoos can live 60 or 70 years, he realized that they still had many years ahead of them. He no longer thought of Beau as just a bird. Beau was family, a partner, a friend who had quietly taught him how to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the gentle moments life offered.
Go, Beau!
Beau had changed his life in the simplest, sweetest ways. He taught him to be patient, to enjoy the small things, to love without waiting for anything in return. Even the quiet moments when Beau just perched on his shoulder or flapped his wings with excitement became memories he held close. And every time Beau looked around with that spark of curiosity, he felt grateful, because that little bird made him more attentive, more caring, and more alive than he had ever been. Beau was the dream he didn't even know he had, and he thanked him for that every single day. If you ever think about welcoming a special animal into your life, take your time to learn, to prepare, and to understand their needs. Do it with love. And if this story touched you, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more warm and heartfelt stories.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're adopted.